So now we're going to read notes on both the A and the E string. We have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And we are going to be saying just regular C, F, and G instead of all of those sharps to save time and syllables. So looking at this first line, we are going to say it with our fingers, and then play it with our bow. So let's say it first. Ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, A. So let's do that with our fingers. Make sure that your third finger on your E string sounds just like your open A. They're technically the same note, just an octave apart. Fingers and say it. Ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, A. So let's do it with our fingers and our bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do the next line. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, F, A, B, C, B, A. Now, fingers and mouth. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, F, A, B, C, B, A. Now, let's do it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do that third line. E, F, E, G, A, B, A, C, E, A, D, E, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So let's do it with just the fingers. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, E, G, A, B, A, C, E, A, D, E, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Let's do it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do that last line. Ready, say it. A, E, A, F, A, G, A, E, A, E, A, E, B, E, C, E, D, A, E, F, G, E, F, A. So when we have that pedal note on the A string, that A that keeps repeating, we're going to leave the fingers down on the E string. A, F, A, and then when we have it over on the A string, we're going to do that tunnel, leave those fingers down. So E, B, E, C, E, D, and we're just going to make that tunnel so that our fingers aren't touching that E string at all. And if I have these big old man hands, then you can do it too. Let's do the fingers and say it at the same time. Ready, go. A, E, A, F, A, G, A, E, A, E, A, E, B, E, C, E, D, A, E, F, G, E, F, A. Now let's play it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go.